Well, unless you count the time that he sold fake IDs at school. But his mom grounded him for that.
Zach's never really done anything wrong. Except the time he kind of, sort of stole our principal's car. But he gave it back.
Well, hey everybody. I did not vlog day one. Well, let me tell you where I am first. So I'm in Vegas. I did not vlog day one. This light is gone. I did not vlog day one because we were still trying to get settled in and I had to charge my camera battery. Shout out to me. But we're now at the pool. It is literally 9:06 in the morning. No problem? She's because of everybody out all day.
You got problems.
But I wonder like if you leave your towels in the chair and somebody like bother her.
It says we can use it, but we can be right here.
No, I'm just saying like, you know how like they got their towels right here and then they gone. You gotta have your mask on at the pool.
You're not in the water. When you're not in the water, you do.
What? Mass patrol out here, but it's really cute. Like this is the pool that we chose. So it's 3 pools. It's one over there on that side, and then it's one like on the other side of that shit. Look at all of them. Our room is super big, like, what? And it's just the 2 of us. So we made it to like this cute little place or whatever. The music is loud, so I'm probably not gonna get a lot of footage in here because I'm really not trying to get copyrighted or whatever. But we went to this place and got drinks. Like, look at my cute mess up. We're 5 drinks in, so we don't know when this vlog is about to take us, but it's gonna take us somewhere because and they gave us this cute little cup. There's like beer pong or whatever. I got ice. Well, there's ice in them. We got water, and then we went to some other little place and got like drinks or whatever. So
It's shit pumped in here. We're not drinking.
I'm not drinking that water. Y'all know I don't drink tap water. Bottle me, baby. Okay, period. But we went for food to get out, so I guess I'm gonna wait. And then I was supposed to vlog like down the strip or whatever, but we was hungry, so y'all know how that shit
There's a lot of
goes.
people outside. Y'all don't even see all of them.
A lot, like they dusty any fucking way. So yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all out. We're still walking with our swimsuits on and all that. Like we was hungry. It's a lot of music.
It's giving chicken quesadillas, chicken wings,
Burger
and fries.
Hungry. Who's on her getting my phone? Alright. We're taking a tour
That's
right
where I'm taking
now.
my Centric on Corn July.
What's up, puppy?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is day 3. I did not vlog yesterday as fucking vlog, but
Here's the price.
we're taking a tour of like this little hotel or whatever. He's showing us like different things.
Yeah, this is the best kept secret here in Vegas.
Oh, y'all have club price. I mean, member prices.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So he's taking us like a little tour through like this little hotel or whatever. Trying to test the thought.
Have your attention, please. The poker room now has seating
So,
available for the 2 p.m. poker tournament. All players are welcome.
that's pretty much
Thank you.
all that we got playing. Oh my god, look at this. That's quite a long.
Here on the 2nd floor, we got bingo hall, bowling, movies, arcade. So everything up here.
Pretty much where I drop my kids off.
Abandon them.
Yeah, bring the kids, drop at arcade, and you can, yeah.
Alright, hey everybody. What the fuck? I just got so lost. But hey y'all, hey. I am back home, as you can tell. I just got off from work. And I'm basically gonna give y'all like a little recap of, you know, what basically happened in Vegas. As y'all can see, this vlog is not long at all. And that's because it was just a whole lot of stuff going on, and it was just like a lot of walking, and I felt like the vlog would be dumb boring. I did get to go zip, like I did put in like some of the like my Instagram clips, so if you follow me from Instagram, then you'll see like a lot of videos from there that's being posted in here. But I didn't really like vlog like I wanted to vlog, because I don't think like this trip was very vloggable. Like I feel like it wasn't enough content in order for me to give y'all like a good just like an overall good idea for if you've never been, or if you're planning, or like if you've been but you just haven't done like the things that I did per se. I would most definitely say that I would do that trip again, just with more people. I'm not going to say I've been telling people with other people, but I don't think I would say with other people. I would more so say with more people, because just the two of us just wasn't enough for us to brainstorm and come up with ideas. I would say that there is a lot of walking, there is a lot of malls, there is a lot of liquor, there's a lot of gambling, there's a lot of cigarette smoke. If you don't like none of them things, I would recommend that you just don't go into the casinos, or you probably just don't go. Or if you go, just get a car and just have a set mindset on what you do and do not want to do. I definitely been talking to like my friends, and just like they've been telling me like their Vegas experience and just, you know, different things of that nature. So they was like, if we plan to go again, then, you know, I will definitely, they was like, if they plan to go then again, then they would definitely, you know, let me know the plans and everything, so I can tag along with them, just so that I can see if I can get a different experience. But it wasn't really much, honestly. Being from the East Coast, traveling to the West Side is, jet lag is real. I'm not even gonna fake, jet lag is real. Like, we went to sleep at like 7 o'clock over, like 7-8 o'clock over there, and woke up at 3 a.m. and went to the store, which everything there is pretty much 24 hours. So even if you do stuff like that, then you pretty much are still good. Like, you can still put your clothes on and go outside, and a bunch of stuff will still be open. You can do a lot of things if you want food, you know, like sorry y'all, I'm yawning. But just like whatever you feel like you want to get your hands into, you can definitely, I got cut to my hand. You can definitely do it. I'm not knocking anybody who chooses to, you know, partake in any of the things. Like, it is what it is. Like, I definitely was drinking. I was drinking to get drunk, but that goal never got like, I never reached it. I think my tolerance is really, really, really high. So my drinking to get drunk days are pretty much, you know, at a very much of a standstill. Like, yeah, I don't know. I think it's pretty much at a standstill. But I mean, it's cool and all. What else do I have to say? I think that's pretty much it. Like, I hate when people be walking past me and they can see me record or whatever, and then they just be sitting here staring. And it's my manager from work, so whatever. But hold on, sorry y'all. But yeah, so Vegas overall, whew, I feel like if I don't yawn on the vlog, then the vlog is not popping. But I overall, with my experience, as it being my first time and not having like my lit friends, I would say my overall experience of Vegas will definitely be like a 6. I feel like if I go with other people, then, and it's just like they're gonna do the things that I got in my head, then the Vegas trip would be like a overall 8. Like, I don't feel like no trip that I've been on was like a perfect 10. So yeah, I don't think none of them been like a perfect 10. I think that they've been like 8s, like 7s and 8s, but this one was definitely like a 5, between a 5, like a 5.5, a 6. So that is like my recap of Vegas. It wasn't really that much. Like, as y'all can see, when we went and did the little tour that I was trying to vlog in, but I couldn't necessarily vlog in because it was just a lot going on. It was a lot of information. It was a lot of personal information that was being exchanged, and he necessarily didn't want us to like be vlogging or just have our phones out when it came to like certain parts of the tour. But I definitely recommend, like, if you go to Vegas, then you should do like a tour there, because they actually give you free stuff, which actually saves you money, because you don't gotta pay for a lot of stuff. Like when I went zip lining, we didn't have to pay for zip lining. When we went and got a refill of our drinks, they didn't pay for that. We actually ended up selling tickets because we wasn't gonna be able to do 3 attractions with like in that time span. Like, so we ended up selling them. Oh my god, why the fuck am I so tired? But we ended up selling tickets, so that pretty much like got us like $30. Our refill drinks came to $32, so we just had to add that $2, which ain't about nothing. And yeah, like we were straight. Honestly, wasn't really too much to say. What else? Yeah, so about the back to the tour. So they give you like, when you do the tours, they will you can just ask them honestly, like, what do you get in within your tour before you even sign up, before you even put down that $20 deposit. With us, we got $100 in food, we got $25 in gas. She got her, you have to put $20 down, but it's refundable. So when you get to the tour, they give you $20 back, but it's gonna be on like a little card. So she got her $20 back, plus the attraction tickets. It was 3 each, so we got 6 tickets. But we also got I believe 4-day 3-night vacation to wherever we basically, so we can either go back to Vegas, or we can do Orlando, or we can do like South Beach, or somewhere wherever their hotels are. And I think that's pretty cool, because that's like a free trip. We just got to book our flights and stuff like that. But what else? I think that was pretty much it. I would most definitely say go down to downtown, to the downtown part of Las Vegas, because it's very, very lit down there. The stuff is very cheap. Drinks are very cheap. Like, everything down there is very inexpensive. Food is very inexpensive. You don't have to pay a lot to get a long way. You don't have to pay a lot to get a long way down there, honestly. So that's one thing that I did like about that. And it also shows you like the older, bruh, if I got one more fucking time, I'm just gonna end the vlog and I'm gonna lay the seat back and I'm gonna go to sleep, even though I gotta be to work in an hour, which I'm about to go to Panera. But y'all gonna fall. I don't have a mount in my car. But Yeah, downtown, like they call it the downtown part, because you have the strip and then you have downtown. So the strip is basically like where everybody, it's like the newer updated area, which is where we stay. Pretty much everything is right there, all the stores, foods, everything. Our zip line and all of that is like right there. And then you have like downtown, which is like, if you ever watch like old movies and you see like the Golden Nugget and like stuff like that, it's still up and running. A lot of they necessarily didn't have hotels down there. They had more of like motels down there. So a lot of those motels are still standing, but they're not operating. And then I think there is like the the casinos have like the hotels over top of it. So those are still actually up and running. You can actually stay down in that area, but a lot of people actually choose to stay on the strip, which is the newer part of Vegas, which is actually where we stayed at. We ended up staying at the Palazzo. So which y'all gonna see that inserted into the clip too before y'all get here. But I mean, I think that's pretty much it. I feel like I've been like on and on, and plus I've been yawning. So I'm about to take my toe to Panera, and then I'm about to take my toe to work. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next vlog. And yeah, cause I don't fucking know. Your girl is tired. Like this, my body trying to adjust back to this time change is ridiculous. But I mean, it is what it is. So I'll see y'all in the next video. I love you guys. Thanks for kicking it with me. Thanks for taking this little flight. I am planning my next trip as of right fucking now, because a girl needs to go to the beach. Like I want to be in swimsuits with like sand in my toes, just like fucking chilling. But yeah, we out here.